Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I do have some color variations for the Too Faced Lippies that you'll be getting in your BoxyLuxe December box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was the BoxyLuxe December spoilers. Congratulations, Ashley Lamora. I think that's how you say that. Ashley, don't you come after me. You know I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, Ashley says, ooh, so exciting. I know, right? I love seeing spoilers. I'm one of those people. I just cannot wait. I got to see what I'm getting. Just let me see it now. But thank you so much, Ashley. I really do. From the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate it, honey. And I know you got a channel. I'm going to link you below. People, go check Ashley out. You're going to love her channel. And Ashley, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much, honey. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so there are quite a few shades to these Too Faced Lippies. I didn't know there was going to be this many, but we'll go ahead and jump in. Now first I'm going to show you the shade variations for the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipsticks. So the first shade is Bend and Snap. Now this looks like a matte shade. Next is Pillow Talk, and of course this looks like a shimmer shade. Beautiful. The next one is Cool Girl, which looks like a matte shade. Sugar Kisses, which is a shimmer shade. And then You Better Work, another shimmer shade. Suck It, which looks like a matte shade. Faking It looks like a shimmer shade. And then the last but certainly not least shade in this lip variation is I Wanna Rock With You. And of course this looks like a shimmer shade. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now the next one are going to be those glosses. They're the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Gloss. These look like they're all shimmer, but there's just a couple, I think 3 different colors right here. So we got Crazy Rich, then we also got Two Night Stand, and then the last one is Pretty Penny. That Pretty Penny, man, I would love to pull off a color like that, but I just can't never do it. So I want to know if y'all are getting this, or which shade do you want to get, or which shade do you like? I mean, I think these are all beautiful, perfect for fall. I did show you a Too Faced palette. It is the Palm Springs eyeshadow palette. Now that again has not been confirmed, but we're thinking that's going to be in the December BoxyCharm Premium box. So be watching for that confirmation. And of course, you know I'm going to keep you updated as soon as they do it. As always, BoxyCharm is linked below if y'all want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Janet Shaw. Janet says, love your videos, honey. I watch them all. Well, Janet, honey, you don't know how much that means to me. I really do appreciate that. I swear I do. I appreciate everybody that takes the time to watch and comment and all that good stuff, like my videos. I really do. Y'all just don't know how much y'all mean to me. Y'all mean the world to me. And Janet, I really appreciate it, honey. And thank you so much for taking the time to do that. And I love you so, so much. Got to leave that comment, though, guys, if y'all want to get a shout out. Now, guys, another thing, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys hit all this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set to on. That way you don't miss another spoiler. You'll be on top of it all. You'll see every video I upload. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.